beautiful shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds. How is everyone? Good, I hope. Okay, you guys, I promised y'all some airbrush, but what I want to first do with y'all, I want to show y'all the airbrush system that I bought, and it is amazing. And this is the Ophir number 3 series mini air compressor beauty tools. Check it out, check it out. This is how it looks, guys, and I'm fixing to show you mine. It comes in 3, lovely, let me lift this up so y'all can see this. It comes in 3 different colors. You could get the pink, the green is the one I got, or a white and black, okay? So I'm having a hard time shoving this under here for y'all. But it's more simple and convenient on nail art. You can make temporary tattoo and body paint. Color, cakes, candies, and other foods, professional and cosmetic, easier to make up. But I am simply using this just for nails, and I'm going to buy another one, guys, like the famous Luminous. I'm going to be buying that system for makeup. So we're going to try that too, honey. Yes, ma'am, yes, sir. So let me show you what I got in this. I get this beautiful gun. It works, Ophir, O-P-H-I-R. I will leave the link below to purchase this baby. It comes with your wrench, your airbrush, and a little nozzle to put water if you want to squirt it down in there to clean it, etc. Okay? But I went and looked at a video from Young Nails explaining your airbrush system. Okay, guys? And I suggest you go do that too. But that's the Ophir, and here is my diamond gem, baby. Huh? Yes, ma'am, yes, sir. And it's got 3 modes. It's got it on and off. That's the highest mode. Then it's got this mode. Then it's got this mode. So you go from high on all 3 to next to high to lowest, okay, depending on what you want. So that is it. I friggin' love this, okay? Your airbrush sits right down in here, and it holds it up at all times for you guys. Gorgeous, cute, compact, amazing. So adorable on your nail desk, okay? When you're using it, you're going to look hippity-hop. You get this gorgeous black bag, Ophir, okay? And in this black bag, you get this, well, I think I bought this separate, guys. A little cleaning kit for $4. I bought some airbrush cleaner for $5, a big bottle. I bought this separate for $5, and this is a moisture trap for your airbrush. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave you a link on that also, guys. You get a strap to hold your bag, and you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 of these yummy friggin' colors, okay? 12 of these. I'm going to show y'all. You get all of these colors, okay? All of them. All friggin' 12. We're going to be using this baby Friday when I get back from Jacksonville, hopefully, guys. I got to make a trip to Jacksonville. You're going to get all of these. Every one of these colors I just showed you guys, you're going to get them, okay? You get a green, a purple, yummy dummy. Yeah, so all 12 of those, honey, y'all going to get with this kit, okay? You get the gun, you get the compressor, you get your strap, and 12 yummy dummy paints, okay? Made just for this gun, okay? And this system. And you're going to get 200 stencils. That's right, guys. 2 friggin' 100 stencils. You see all this, honey? Do y'all see all this, honey? Y'all know y'all want this gun. Phew. Shoot. And I tried it, and guess what? It works amazing. It doesn't come out too fast. It doesn't like just splam your nails. It comes out quite lovely, okay? Lovely. Now, you can go online and buy other things. You can do your French nail. Friday, we're going to be doing the French nail, I think, okay? That's what Diamond's going to try with this baby. I did try some of these designs, and it sprayed beautifully. The detail was amazing, okay? So you get, and this is how they look, guys. They're plastic with the little, look at that. That's an American flag, I think. Or it could be. It's what, yeah, it is. It's a flag. Love, love, love that, okay? Mini.
Is that Winnie or Winnie? I don't know, but it's so friggin' dopey cute. Cowgirl boots, guys. Yummy dummy. Yummy dummy. Yummy dummy. This is the one I tried the other day. Guys, looks so lovely. Okay, get you this done. I will leave y'all a link, like I said, so you're going to get these 200 beautiful stencils. When we come back, I've already did this to Handy Diamonds Nails. It's just a light pink glitter gel, and I'm going to be doing the tips in a color, maybe the pink or the white. I don't know yet, but I've got to go out of town tomorrow. I won't be back till Thursday, guys, so I'm not going to be able to do y'all. And I completed my nail room. You guys, oh my God, Becky, y'all are going to fall in love with Diamond's Nail Room. It is so amazing. Like, I think it's one of the best ones I've ever seen, and I'm not bragging, but I've spent a lot of money. I spent $300, my husband did, on a picture that is a 5-piece canvas, and it is gorgeous. Wait till y'all see this baby. And then I got another one I'm waiting on, hoping to get that by today. I got my IKEA stand. Oh my God, you guys, y'all are going to love Diamond's Nail Room. Anyway, I'm going to be giving y'all a tour of that next week, or maybe even this Friday. We might do that Friday and then get into Airbrush next Monday. But this is one video for you guys. So you guys, if y'all are interested in this, do the link below. You could do this compressor. I'm going to buy just the luminous airbrush and the makeup, guys, and use this compressor, okay? Now, if anybody knows anybody that has tanning, that does spray tanning, Diamond has a brand new spray tanning compressor with the big spray tanning gun, with the tent, the outside tent that you can put up. $50 I paid just for the tent. Brand spanking new, with about 8 bottles of expensive as heck spray tanning stuff. If anybody's interested, go to my Instagram, Diamond Debbie's Gloss and Glow. Put that in just like that. No underscores, no nothing. And I will sell it to you. And I spent a fortune. So I'm going to sell it really cheap. So I'll tell you more about it if you're interested. Hook me up on Instagram, look me up, and I will give you details. But anyway, getting back to Ophir. So you're going to get all 200 stencils. You're going to get your compressor. You're going to get this a yummy dummy with a diamond. I love that. Ophir airbrush, okay? So the only other thing you're going to buy, and you're going to get your Ophir case bag with a strap, so you can easily carry this baby. See how it looks? It's got all my paints down in there. It's got my my trap, moisture trap. It's got my brushes to clean it with, and it give me these. So guys, you're going to get all of this, okay? So if you're interested, look at the link below. I will see y'all next Friday in a video, hopefully, or Saturday. I will still do a Wing It Wednesdays. This is Monday. I'm going to be doing, Tuesday. This is my Wing It Wednesdays, I think, but I'm going to go ahead and throw this out there because it's just concerning the air gun, the airbrush, and we're going to do this Bond Time Healthy Nail Polish. It's a peel-off, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Next week, guys, we'll get into some yummy dummy airbrush. Tell y'all this. It does come with your rounded cord for putting your airbrush on, y'all. And this is about, I don't know how many feet, but it's long enough. It's plenty long enough, as y'all can see. So this comes with the airbrush thing, and you just plug it in right here on the side. This is for your power, and then you put your airbrush down in here. So I just wanted to come back and say that, you guys, and that's what all you're going to be getting. I think it was like $100, but oh my God, Becky, I've had this actually, you guys, I'm going to be honest, I bought it off of Amazon, and I've had this thing for about 4 years, about 4 years. And I've only tried to use it once, and I never could do good, but now it is spraying amazing. It's doing excellent. My husband showed me how to use it, along with the Young Nails introduction on how to clean it and everything, which we'll get into down the road too. I will be doing a little thing for y'all, showing y'all how to work your airbrush, how to clean your airbrush, all them goodies. So you guys just stay tuned for the next video.